In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Base44 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the card or payment method used for your Base44 plan, whether you're on a monthly or annual subscription. Start in your Base44 workspace. Look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens your account menu, which is where Base44 keeps settings that affect your workspace and subscription. If you don't see the options mentioned next, you may not have the right permissions, so you might need someone with billing access to follow along. From that menu, choose Billing. This takes you to your plan overview, where you can see your current subscription and charges. Give the page a second to load fully so all the controls appear. Next, find the section for your current plan and click Manage Payments. This button opens the area where your payment details live. If you're on a monthly plan, you may be prompted to click Manage Payments a second time to enter the secure billing portal. That's expected behavior. When the portal opens, check that you're on a secure page before entering any information. Inside the portal, look for the Billing Information section and click Update Information. This is where you can enter a new card or adjust your billing address. Type in the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, the card number, expiration date, and security code. For the billing address, use the address your bank or card issuer has on file. Mismatched addresses are a common reason payments fail, so it's worth double checking street, city, postal code, and country. If you're updating details for a business card, ensure the company name and address reflect your organization's records. Before you commit, review everything carefully. A quick scan for typos in the card number or expiration date can save you a failed charge later. When you're confident it's correct, click Save. Wait for the confirmation. Some portals show a success message or refresh the payment method on file to display the last 4 digits of the new card. That's it. You accessed your workspace settings, opened billing, went to manage payments, updated your information in the billing information section, and saved your changes. If a payment is due soon, consider checking the next invoice preview in the billing area to confirm the new method will be used. You can return to the same spot anytime to replace an expiring card or update your address. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to keep your Base44 subscription running smoothly.